Steelma specializes in the development of roofing profiling machines. This is the steel tunnel liner plate machine, ordered by a Mexican customer. The rollers are made of chrome-plated shafts to extend their service life. Ensure that the overlap accuracy of finished products is controlled within 1 毫米. Size can be customized according to your needs. It adopts hydraulic drive to automatically position, determine the size and cut the target product. Commitment: delivery within 45 days, 18 months warranty. Thank you customers for your trust. Establish friendly international trade relations.